Rugamiriri wa komishoni ya kivururi Elsie Saina ni araria ikigomaniro kia o mwaka kia majaji kuria mararirio uvoro wa waragania wa acirithania guku Kenya na Afrika. Niukoretwo kwina mateta kuma kwi ya Kenya na ni ati acirithania ni makoretwo makiingira na matina wiyathi uria maraimwo ni thirikari.
On one hand, there are concerns by the jurists themselves that judicial independence is becoming a concern. There are conversations that judicial independence is an absolute right that is contained in our constitution. However, the feeling is that judicial independence is increasingly being compromised by justice sector actors themselves, but also within the judiciary. The functions and mechanisms provided by the Judicial Service Commission need to be relooked and need to be reviewed so that judicial accountability and independence in Kenya, as envisaged by the Constitution 2010, as we had agreed as Kenyans to defend judicial independence, is advanced and it is entrenched.
Protas aende ni arariria maundu maria makorirwo makiariria na ni tawatho na maundu maria maraga wathore na mutatara uria acirithania maratumira niguo kuvotana macirare uria mangicenjia mitatara iyo.
We have talked about looking at the laws, what the laws provide. If we find there's a gap in how the laws are, then we should look at changing them. It's an active discussion we're having right now. We have talked about Judicial Service Commission. Some have complained about how they have dealt with complaints against some of the judges and magistrates. It's one of the things we're saying maybe we may need to relook at what processes and procedures do they follow. Can we improve them? Can we strengthen them so that we get proper remedies when complaints are brought?
Ngirivotera Muthingi TV mbetawa mwende wa mbere.
Tugetigane na icio